Hi, welcome to Foxy. I'm Setu Kumar. I'm a makeup and beauty expert, and in today's video, we are going to be talking about mature skin, especially the makeup part for the mature skin. अब मेच्योर स्किन का प्रॉब्लम जो होता है वो एरियाज होते हैं जैसे डार्क सर्कल्स, रिंकल्स, फाइन लाइंस, लाफिंग लाइंस, उनको अच्छे से कंसील करना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है और उसके लिए ज़रूरी है राइट टेक्निक का यूज़ करना. सो द मेकअप शुड बी एक्चुअली लाइट ऑन योर फेस. इट शुड नॉट लुक केकी, बिकॉज जब आप केकी मेकअप करते हैं तो बहुत ही क्रैक आने शुरू हो जाते हैं. इवन द पार्ट्स वेयर दे बिकम ग्रे, दैट इज अ नो नो. इन दिस वीडियो आई एम गोइंग टू बी टॉकिंग अबाउट मेकअप फॉर मैच्योर स्किन. First step is I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Prep High Definition Smoothing Primer. It's very important to use this under your eyes, over your laughing lines, and even around your nose because we've got open pores here, and it actually gives a good base for the foundation. So I'm going to just take a little bit on my hand right here. Just a little is enough. I'm going to apply it under my eye because mature skin does have a problem of dark circles and open pores, fine lines, all of that. So we need to kind of do a step-by-step thing. So we'll apply a little bit around my nose, on my forehead, and on my laughing lines. And a little bit on the rest of my face, so that the base, when I'm going to use the foundation, it turns out to be absolutely even. The next step is going to be using a corrector. So I'm going to be using Maybelline Master Camouflage Concealer Palette. It's got these colors, and I'll be using orange corrector. I'm going to be taking and using the London's Pride HD Small Foundation Brush. So I'm going to just take a little bit from here. So I have used this orange corrector under my eye plus around my lips because I have a little dark pigmentation around my lips. Now I'm going to blend it a little bit with using the Beauty Blender Sponge by Gub. After using the orange corrector, I'm going to be using the foundation. So I have picked up the Color Bar Timeless Filling and Lifting Foundation with Hyaluronic Acid. Now why this foundation? Because with hyaluronic acid, it has got more water content. For mature skin, we need more hydration. So I have done with my foundation, and the next step is to put the concealer, which basically is going to highlight few areas. I'll use it under my eye, I'll use a little bit on my nose, a little bit on my forehead and my chin. So the concealer is by Revolution, Makeup by Revolution London, Conceal and Define. So I have done this to make it an even thing and to cover the parts which have got wrinkles and fine lines. Now to set it up is very important. So I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Powder Setting Powder, and I'm going to be using the Faces Canada Powder Brush. Just make sure that you dab the excess powder because you don't want too much of it. So I have used this to set the base and give it a more even look. So the next step is to apply eyeshadow. I'm going to be using Revolution, Makeup Revolution, Fortune Favors the Brave. And the colors are really nice in this. You can see it's got beautiful shades in it. So I'm going to be using one of the shades. And to apply that, I'll be using Faces Canada eyeshadow brush. So I'm going to be using this color right here. Just dab a little and definitely leave the excess behind. So I'm applying this color to the entire lid, taking from the outer corner of my eye towards the inner corner. So I'm done with my eyeshadow. The next step is going to be using mascara. I'm going to be using Lakme Iconic Curling Mascara. So I'm using this mascara because I don't want a very heavy look. So I'm not using any liner or kajal. So it gives a little volume to my lashes. So I'm going to start applying this. So After the mascara, I'm going to be filling up my brows with Color Bar Wow Brow Pencil. It's very easy to use because it's pencil, so it's not like you have to apply it, with the cream liquid and the liner and stuff like that. It's very, very easy. I'm just going to start filling up my brows. So I'm done with my eyebrows. Now I'm going to be doing my blush. I'm going to be using Color Bar Flushed Satin 003, and the brush I'm going to be using is by Real Techniques Blush Brush. I'm going to just apply this at the apple of my cheeks. So I'm done with the blusher. The next step is going to be applying a lipper. It's by Maybelline 660 Touch of Spice. It's a nice creamy lip color, works very well for mature skin. So I'm actually done with my eyes and lips and my blusher. Just apt for mature skin. I'm going to add a little bling with Lakme Desert Rose Shea Powder. So it'll just add a little bling. The good part is that it comes with the applicator, so you really don't need a separate brush or anything else to use it. It's just all in one. Last but not the least, to set my makeup, I'm going to be using L'Oreal Paris Infallible Setting Spray, because I don't want my makeup to melt down and I don't want the fine lines, wrinkles start showing up very early. This is the makeup which I do for my mature skin. I hope you really liked it. And if you like to watch such content, keep watching Foxy. Stay fab, stay foxy.